Babe, babe, no, I swear, I'm not wait. No, I'm serious. This time, this is the one this time. I mean, YouTube is gonna love it. Just come out here and I'll show you. Okay. Love you.
We hobble all the way over here because YouTube's gonna love it. YouTube better fucking love it, I swear to God.
Huh?
What the fuck is that?
Huh? No, wait, no, it's not an explosive.
What the fuck is it then?
It's for us. I mean, you know how we have so much trouble waking up in the morning?
Oh, it'll wake us up for sure with the fucking ATF beating the door down.
Look, I'll show you. Huh? It goes. Fuck! God damn it! And it shocks.
Tune in next time and hear me say, "Hey, big man, let me get a faller."